Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by positioning yourself at a known reference. Align the map with terrain and set a compass bearing toward the temple area. Once done, mark the starting coordinates on your phone or paper and deploy a short visual sweep. Scan tree lines, ridge lines, and unusual ground features. Make sure to use the rope or pacing method to estimate distance as you proceed, because consistent spacing prevents gaps. This first push gets you into the correct search corridor and avoids backtracking later. You now switch to a thorough, repeatable pattern, either grid or expanding spiral, so you cover ground methodically and reduce missed spots. As you sweep, focus on vertical cues like cairns, carved marks, or unnatural stone alignments because temple markers are often elevated or symbol-based. Inspect soil disturbance near foundations and note noise echoes. Keep checking compass bearings and remeasure distances. If you find anything suspicious, pause and document orientation and distance. You conclude by verifying that a candidate is truly the temple marker. Record inscriptions, measure alignment relative to known points, and photograph faces and surroundings. Once confirmed, log exact GPS coordinates and make a concise note of condition and hazards. If the feature is ambiguous, retrace your last 10 to 20 meters and rerun the search pattern from a fresh angle. If visibility or readings fail, switch sensors or wait for better light. This troubleshooting step prevents false positives and secures accurate documentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.